Hello and welcome to Pipefy. My name is Isabella, and in this video I'm going to explain how can you create pipe reports of your own. Pipe reports are extremely useful for teams that are looking to increase their processes' productivity. That's because this feature abroad all the activities inside a pipe and the information contained in its cards. With pipe reports, you can get a complete insight into your company's metrics and KPIs, as well as the individual performance of your team members, types of product, or even a phase that's taking more time than it should to advance in your process. Examples of how can you use pipe reports: total number of sales made by employee, total spend per week, total of time a card was in a phase, which employee performs an action faster, and which country demands more time for the goods to reach the final customer. All these examples are Pipefy's clients' real cases of how can they use reports to measure their performances. Now, I'll show you how can we apply a case by setting a pipe report in Pipefy. To create a pipe report, you must access your Pipefy's dashboard and select a pipe in which you want to retrieve relevant information for your company. Let's pick, for instance, the sales pipeline. By clicking in it, you will see a Kanban view of your process, but you can also set a list view of your cards and pipes and see what kind of information is missing, what are the fields that need more information, more complexion. This view is very similar to your reports view. So you can click in reports right here and add a new report for your company. So let's do this. The first step to set your report is select the columns in which you want to view any report. In here are all the fields that your cards contain in all of the pipe. You can unselect the information you don't find relevant and select the ones that make more sense, for instance, assignees, due dates, labels, and so goes on. Also, if you had fields in your pipe, there are currencies or numbers. You can see a summary of all of them right here, as well as the minimum, the maximum, or an average number of them right here. You can also add filters to your reports, so you can filter only the relevant information that you want to know at this period. So let's say I want to know only the tasks by certain assignees. My assignee is Isabella, for instance, or the assignee is Ian. So here it is, filtered only the assignees I've chosen. To save a report, all you have to do is click right here and name it. You can save. If you want, you can also edit the title of your report. And if you want to download, save, or export your pipe report, all you have to do is click on this button right here. You can download it on Excel format or email it to your address. And that's it. It's very simple. If you have any other doubts regarding pipe reports, you can click on this help button right here for contextualized tips and information. Or if you prefer, you can click on this chat button right here and talk to one of our support specialists. Thank you!